3D practice project. This 3D practice we need to start in this lecture. When you start any 3D model, from where you need to start? That is very important. This one we will start from base. That is very easy and we can finish quickly. Any 3D model, before creating, you just need to decide which way you need to make this model. Once you see that model, then you calculate in your mind, then you can start and finish. Lot of way you can create this 3D model. I just tell you one way. Once you finish this whole course, after that you will get some idea. You can use your idea and you can make this drawing also, or what I am telling, the similar way also you can try to finish this 3D practice. So first we will start from this base. Base dimension, the length is 100 mm, means this x direction, the length is 100 mm, and this is the width. Width you can get from this area, 15, 15, 30, this 30, so total 60 units. And this height is, base height is 15 mm. So just place it like this and go to the box and I click here, make it at the rate, the length is 100, comma, the width is 60, comma, height is 15, enter. Now this base is ready. Now go to copy edges and I click this edge, enter, and I click this point and just place it like this, 10, enter. Means this width is 10. So just go to the press pull and I click this area and we need to make this one 55. Just place it like this, 55, enter. Now we need to make this opening. The opening, this is 20 mm straight portion and here it is opening like this. This one diameter is 30, so radius is 15. So just go to, we cannot make directly the circle. If you use this dynamic UCS, you can directly make the circle, but I like to use UCS. See here, if you want to make any drafting work in this plane, you need to change to right plane. So just click here and make it right. Now you can see it is changed to right. X and Y, that is your working plane. So X and Y, it is your working plane. Just go to the circle and I click this point and just place it like this. Give the value 15, enter. Now select this circle and go to the move command and I click here, place it like this, give the value 20, enter. Now go to the line tool and I click this quadrant and I click to perpendicular. I cancel, go to the line tool, click this quadrant and I just click here, escape. Now go to the trim tool, just click this circle, you can trim like this. If you made this circle and line in exact same plane, definitely you can trim. Otherwise, if you got any struggle to trim, definitely the lines and circle not made exact proper plane. Now just go to the press pull and I click this face and I just move my mouse like this and I click like this. Okay, now we don't want these things, so just select like this and I delete it. Now we need to make this slot. You can see this slot length is 30 and the width is 10. So just go to the rectangle. Before creating rectangle, we need to change UCS. Just go here, make UCS in top. So you will get it X and Y, it is in top plane. So now just go to the rectangle and I click here and go to the dimension. The length is 30, enter. The width is 10, enter, and just click here like this. Now go to the fillet. We have fillet tool, and here it is fillet tool. Make the radius 5, enter. Select here polyline and select this polyline. Now it is ready. Select this one and go to the move command. Click this endpoint, place it in exactly this midpoint. Now it is placed. So just select like this, and go to the move command. Just click here, make it 10, enter. Now it is moved from this point to this point, it is 10 mm. Now we need to place the next slot also. So just select like this and go to the copy command and I click this endpoint, shift right click, go to the from, just select this from and I click this endpoint and just place it like this, give the value 10, enter. Now you can see we placed like this exactly. Go to the press full and I select this face and I select here multiple option and I select this face also and enter. Just move your mouse downside like this and click here. Now you can see you got the slot like this. Press shift in your keyboard and press the mouse center button. You can make orbit like this, or you can use this orbit also. You can see like this. Now I select this one and delete it. Now it is ready. We need to make this cutting also, this two side cutting. For that just select here top and select here wireframe and go to the arc. Select this start end radius and this is the start point and the end point. The radius is here you can see the radius is 120. So just make the radius 120, enter. Now these both are ready. You can use next mirror. You can use mirror command, 3D mirror command also you can use, or 2D mirror what we done before, the same mirror command also you can use here. For that just MI in your keyboard, type MI in your keyboard, enter and select this one, enter and just click this midpoint and just place it like this, enter. Now it is ready and go to the southeast isometric and here it is, both are ready. Go to realistic and go to the press full, select this area and go to the multiple and select this area also, enter and you can see now you can move like this and I just place it like this and click here. Now you can see two side you got these things. I don't want this arc, I just select like this and delete it. So now we created this 3D model